Hi, so I want to show you a really cool form that I have created, which will take orders, and this runs based on the data from the Google spreadsheet. So what that means is, say, for example, over here it says 100% hand-woven collection, right? So if you want to change that, you simply come to the Google spreadsheet and instead of the 100% hand-woven collection, you say 100% hand-woven collection too. And like when the next person visits this website, they will see the uh, information that you've just added. So instead of 100% handwork collection, it will become 100. So basically, this form is running out of this Google spreadsheet, and all these things are there so that you can change anything. And then once you make that change, it will automatically change on the front end. And so the purpose of this form is to take orders so people can view the catalog to see photos of the products. So this is like coming from the Flipbook, and then they can like select one of these. So for example, if they select rainbow collection, it will ask them to select the product and then the variation and how many quantities they want, and they will click add to cart. When they do that, this product is added to cart. So you can add as many products as you need, and then you can click on add to cart, and this is all custom designed, and it is coming from the Google spreadsheet. So once you click on checkout, you can add quantity or minus subtract the quantity, and the total will be displayed. So you can click on confirm, you can fill your company details, confirm order. So this is like, and then you can pay via PayPal. And once you have paid via PayPal, the uh, payment is processed and the order is confirmation is sent to this email. So this is just an example of something that we can do using Google Apps Script. So what we have done is we've created this front end, which is taking data from the Google spreadsheet to take the orders. And once the order is processed, once they click on this checkout, confirm, and paid via PayPal, then like the order is confirmed.